Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Maan Fashion. How are you? I hope my all friends and my viewers will be fine, okay, and doing well and enjoying their life with their sweet family and friends like me. I'm also good, perfect, alhamdulillah, thanks of my Allah. So guys, let's back to our video. Today I'm going to share with you most beautiful and most stylish women hand bracelet designs. Very impressive and very stylish bracelet designs. Most amazing collection for every girl and lady, because every girl like bracelets. Different type of chain style, beautiful beaded stone, rising stone decorated, and many more styles. Wow, it's so beautiful. You can buy AliExpress, Amazon, eBay.com, etsy.com, gearbest.com, light in the box, and shoespy.com. These websites so famous, you can buy all this collection from there. You can wear, you can apply these beautiful bracelet designs in chain style, heart style, leaf styles, and many different type of beautiful beaded stones. Some are wire styles and also chain beautiful angle styles. So guys, you can buy AliExpress, Amazon, eBay.com, etsy.com, gearbest.com, light in the box, and shoespy.com. These websites famous, you can buy all this collection from there. Okay my dearest friends, please like me, comment me, please don't forget sharing my video with your family and friends, because your comments, your views so important for me, for my channel, for my success. Okay, thanks for watching. See you. Allah Hafiz.